Hello, my name is Honza Panek. Welcome to Via Tempia. Today we'll show you how to use an opener for vintage wines. We have a 10-year-old wine here. For a vintage this old, I recommend using this opener so the cork doesn't crumble. So let's take the bottle. First, we'll take a classic opener. We'll remove the capsule. We'll take the vintage wine opener. You can see that one prong is a bit longer than the other, so we'll go ahead and start with the longer one. We'll gently slide it just a little bit, right between the cork and the bottle. About 1 centimeter, which is roughly the width of your fingertip. On the other side of the cork, we'll carefully place the second prong, and then, with a slow, gentle rocking motion, we'll begin to gradually push both prongs down, working them steadily along the sides of the cork, making sure to keep everything even and controlled as we go. There, it worked just as we wanted. Now we'll keep going, making sure to reach all the way to the very end without stopping or rushing. At this point, with a slow and steady twisting motion, we'll carefully start to pull the cork out. Take your time, twist gently, and gradually ease the cork free until it comes out smoothly. There, you can see the cork stayed in one piece. I'll smell it to check if the cork has any cork taint. And we can start pouring.